guide you through the process of registering on the Repo website. This registration process can be completed exclusively through the website. Firstly, you need to provide your name, last name, business name, business website, GST number, state, city, PIN code, 10-digit mobile number, email ID. An OTP will be sent to the email you entered along with a link. By clicking on the link, you can submit the OTP here. After that, you'll need to submit some basic details about your business. Next, enter your WhatsApp number. You'll receive a message on that WhatsApp number with login details, allowing you to log in to the Repo app and website. Welcome to the Repo website. Firstly, you need to submit your login details. Enter the app ID, username, and password that you received on WhatsApp. Then, click on the login button. Thank you. You have successfully logged in. To create a new campaign, navigate to the settings icon on the left side and click on it. Next, click on Campaign. Here, you can view your entire list of campaigns. Click on the plus icon in the corner to add a new campaign. Start by adding the name of your campaign as you prefer. Set the start date and time for when you want the campaign to begin, and set the end date and time for when you want the campaign to conclude. Click on Status Off and switch it to On, then Submit. Your complete list of campaigns will be displayed here. If you wish to edit or delete a campaign, click on the 3 lines and proceed with your desired action. Now, let's learn how to create a disposition and why it is created. The purpose of creating a disposition is to document various outcomes encountered by agents during their tasks. These could include finding a vehicle, collecting cash, or encountering situations where the vehicle owner has absconded. Agents can provide additional details in the remarks section to keep track of relevant information associated with the vehicle. To create a disposition, firstly, click on Settings. Then, click on Disposition. Click on the plus icon in the corner. Next, add the disposition. You can enter any information you want in the disposition. For example, create dispositions like cash collect or run away. In this way, you can create multiple dispositions by adding commas. Click on Submit. All the dispositions you created will be listed here. You can also edit or delete dispositions as needed. We've learned how to create dispositions. Within the user master, you can create a new supervisor and agent, granting them access to specific campaigns and defining their capabilities. Now, let's understand how to create a supervisor. Click on Supervisor to start creating a new supervisor. Click on the plus icon in the corner. Fill in the details of the supervisor you want to create, such as profile photo, name, last name, email ID, ten-digit mobile number, date of joining. Select the campaigns where you want to add your supervisor. Click on Update. Keep the status set to On. In the Supervisor Access section, you can define the types of access you want to give to your supervisor. Click on View Campaign to allow the supervisor to only view the selected campaign. Turn it on. Click on Add Campaign to enable the supervisor to add campaigns. Turn it on. Similarly, for Edit and Delete campaign, the supervisor can edit or delete any campaigns. Toggle them as needed. Add agent, edit agent, and delete agent. You can grant the supervisor the ability to add, edit, or delete agents. Toggle them accordingly. Likewise, for Import Master, Bulk Upload, and Disposition Summary, grant access as desired. Make any necessary adjustments to the access settings and click on Submit at the end. Once the supervisor is successfully created, they will appear in the user list. You can also edit or delete the supervisor and modify the access granted whenever needed. Congratulations! Your supervisor is now created. You can replicate this process to create multiple supervisors based on your package. You have the capability to directly log out your agents and supervisors from the app. In case any of your agents or supervisors accidentally logs out of the app without proper logout and subsequently deletes the app, they won't be able to log in again. In such a scenario, the admin needs to perform a force logout from here to allow them to log in once more. Now, let's understand how to create an agent. Creating an agent is a very simple process. First, click on User Master and then click on Agent. Click on the plus icon in the corner to add a new agent. Fill in all the details for the agent, including profile photo, name, last name, email ID, ten-digit mobile number, date of joining. Select the campaigns where you want to add your agent. You can choose multiple campaigns if needed. Click on Update. Keep the status set to On. Click on Agent Settings. Specify the access you want to grant to your agent, such as whether they can view the disposition summary or search logs for vehicles searched on their phone. Toggle the options as needed. If you click On, the agent will have access to those features. Click on Submit. Once the agent is successfully added, you will see a success message, and the list of all the agents you created will be displayed here. Now, we will upload our allocation data. For this, we need to click on Transaction. Then, click on Import Master, and after that, click on Upload Data. Here, you can download a sample file to see the required data format for uploading. Create your data accordingly. Next, select the campaign we created in the Select Campaign section. Now, you can upload your CSV file. If you choose Update Existing Data and the loan number already exists, the other details will be updated. Finally, click on Submit. Your data has been successfully uploaded. Afterward, click on File Master. Inside, you can view the details of the file you uploaded, such as its name, status, found, disposition, total records, search records, and the date until the file remains valid. Subsequently, you have the option to edit or delete the file. You can also set the status to either active or inactive. If you deactivate the status, the agents will not be able to see the allocation you assigned to them. Consequently, they won't be able to work on that allocation. Therefore, ensure that the file remains active for your team to perform their task. If you want to delete data for any campaign, select the campaign, then choose the option and click on Go. Your data will be deleted. Within data management, you can directly delete data for disposition summaries. In search activity logs, you can delete data for the vehicles your agents searched for. Similarly, you can delete data for login logs, activity logs, and attendance. Just click on Go, and you can delete the data you wish to remove. After clicking on Analytics, you will see all the details where you can view the disposition summary. In login logs, you can see how many users have logged in or out of the app. In activity logs, you can observe the actions performed by agents, supervisors, and admins throughout the day, including their locations. Within search activity, you can find information about which user searched for which vehicle and the corresponding location. You can view the date and time here, which enables admins to monitor the attendance of agents and supervisors.